Namo Namaha. Mama Nama Shubha, Esha Tattvam Vahini. I am a native Sanskrit speaker and a Sanskrit teacher, and this channel is all about Sanskrit related content. If you are interested in such content, then please do subscribe to Tattvam and click the bell icon so that you will be notified when I add new videos. This video is part of the Varnamala series where I teach how to read and write the alphabets and also give a lot of in-depth informations. If you have not watched previous videos, then please do check them out. In this video, we are going to discuss about Samyuktaksharaani. Samyuktaksharaani means when two consonants come together without having any vowels together in between. Just two consonants are joined together, then such alphabets are called Samyuktaksharaani. Before telling how to write Samyuktaksharaani in Sanskritam, I would like to tell about four Samyuktaksharaani, but which are written like a new letter itself. They are actually combination of two consonants, but they are written like a new alphabet in Sanskritam. First, I'll show you those alphabets and tell what are they made of, and then the Samyuktaksharaani in general. This letter ksha is actually a combination of k and sh. I have added the letter a for ease of pronunciation. Basically, ksh is a combination of k and sh. This letter tra is a combination of t and r. And this letter nya is a combination of j and nya. And this letter shra, which you would have seen in the Shri symbol, is a combination of sh and r. Shra. Now let us see how to write these alphabets, and after that I will show how to write the other samyuktaksharas also. So ksha is written like this. Tra is written like this. Gnya is written like this. And shra is written like this. Since there are so many consonants in Sanskritam and there can be so many combinations, if you do the permutation and combination, you will have so many combinations. So it will not be possible for me to show each and every combination, but I will tell a general rule. I'll show some examples and tell a general rule on how to write samyuktaksharas, that is when two consonants are joined. How to write that in Sanskritam, I'll show it to you. Basically, it's the basic concept is if the sound is produced half, you write that half. If I show some examples, you will get more clarity. Let's take the letter k. Suppose we want to write a word like kwa, k and v joined together. Then since k is half pronounced, half in the sense there is no vowel there. So it's not k, it's k. So we write it half like this, half, and join it with v. This becomes kwa. Suppose kta if you want to write, then again kta. So k is half. So write half k and join it with ta. Same way for all other alphabets. Suppose I want to write thna Here th is half and joined with na. Pl, if I want to write pl, then p is half, join it with l. Only for r, it's little different. Suppose I want to write kr, then we have to write it like this. We don't write k half and join it with r, but instead we write like this. This is kr, k plus r. Same for other alphabets. If I want to write tr, then ch plus r, it's written like this, tr. Pra, if I want to write pra. Suppose the r sound is coming before k. Here, first the k sound, then the r sound. If r plus k, if it is, then we have to write like this. K, like this. Rka. Rcha means it has to be written like this. Rpa is like this. So, and if the letter is curvy like t, then and you want to write tr, then it's done like this. Tr. Dr, if I want to write, then since there is a curve, if we put like this, it will not be very clear. So we write like this. Dr. So if you know this, then you will start reading the Devanagari script. I'll give some words for reading. You can practice the reading. Here are few words for you to practice reading them. You can pause this video and attempt to read these words. I will be reading them out so that you can verify if you read these words correctly or not. So, if you are a beginner, please pause this video. Kukkutaha, Muktihi, Chakram, Shuklaha, Bhagyam, Dugdham. This is the second page. Attempt to practice reading this also. You can pause the video now, and once you read, then you can take out the pause and check if you read it correctly or not. Ichha, Jyotihi, Vitthalaha, Ghanta, Ratnam, Utsahaha. This is the third and last page for reading practice. So if you are a beginner, please pause the video now. Udghatanam, Shuddham, Sugandhaha, Sapta, Pushpam, Sthanam. I hope this video was of use to you. Please do like this video, share it with interested people, and also subscribe to Tattvam YouTube channel and click the bell icon. धन्यवादः. अग्रिमवीडियो मध्ये पुनर्मिलामि. नमस्ते.